Hello everyone. Today I want to show you a tool that can help you generate detailed and structured feedbacks for your technical interviews. Let me show you feedback example. On the first block, we have a table with the name of the candidate, his English level, risk assessment, and overall score. For example, now we talk about senior Python React.js full stack position that requires Python knowledge, Django, JavaScript, and React. After first page, we have a page of technical assessment where AI will give you total description of candidate's experience that was taken from interview and from his resume. On the next stages, as I mentioned, it is necessary Python knowledges. So we have Python block that will cover answers of candidate for Python questions. Then a block of OOP if it necessary. As you can see, it was taken just from interview, not from your resume. Machine learning, it was taken from resume. Frameworks, uh, Django, Django REST framework, some maybe n+1 questions, and etc. On the end of the each block, we will have general impression of the interview and general technical level. After that table, we have block primary topic deep dive. Why it's necessary? It's necessary because sometimes we need to one more time summarize what is the candidate's level for the most important domains of this vacancy, like in this Python, Django, and React, and we see Python language internals, Django for framework mastery, React fundamentals, database optimization, system architecture with overall assessment. Then we have project experience block that cover candidates' experience in some projects or past companies that can be relevant to current position. One more time, technology overview to understand with which technologies candidate has experience with, and after that, strengths and weaknesses. Then we again have general assessment if we want some more information about candidate's technical level, experience relevance, growth potential, overall impression. Then we can see some information about interview, what was audio quality, discussion depths, topic coverage, interview style, and some little summary of that. Second block is comparison with requirements. Uh, we see that we have a column of requirements, what candidate has, uh, match or no, and some comment. Then we can see what skills is nice to have the candidates, because each vacancy have the main requirements and what was nice to have. And of course, we have final verdict on the end. We have overall score, primary topic score, candidate level, English level, risk assessment, and the recommendation what we should do next with this candidate. And some other block with recommended actions and development directions. So now I want to show you the interface of TalentStack application, how you can use it on your daily basics. So now we need to go to the dashboard, add some candidate. For example, I will add myself. And you can see that you can quickly add candidate with AI. We need just browse resume or CV. AI will take some important information from a resume. As you can see, it filled name, email, and phone, and if there will be LinkedIn, it will fill LinkedIn. Sometimes candidates prepare resumes not in the format that we want to see, and we need to by hand rewrite it, fill some of our templates. In current case of TalentStack, we can just select CV and push generate, and system with AI will generate you new structured CV that will require some standard template. So you can see the generation finished. We have total description, we have experience of the candidate with domain technologies that he was using on his projects. After that block, we have a block of skills, and each skill have range or assessment, years of experience. It is very handy. How many years candidate have with each technology. Then languages, education, projects, and etc. So when we add the candidate, we need to schedule interview. For example, we select the same vacancy, senior Python React full stack engineer, and we can select interviewer. Then we have the slots on which this interviewer is free. And for example, we will schedule on 3 o'clock. After creating interview, we will be redirected to interview page, and we can see that we can upload some audio file of the interview right here, and we can schedule some Google Calendar meeting. For example, we want to invite our candidate on Google Meet and generate Google Meet link. So we choose Google Meet. We can add some guests who should be on this interview, and press update meeting. Also, we can add some other guests that are not our staff in our company. As you can see, the meeting is created with Google Meet's link, and everything is okay. Okay, now I want to show you that you can not just update your audio file, and you can also use TalentStack browser extension to record your interview audio or video. So now I want to present it to you. So for example, we have this interview. We need to sign in with Google. Choose interview, push button to record screen video, and press start recording. We should allow a microphone, allow screen recording, and the recording started.
Zero makes sense.
Zero makes sense because that would be the beginning. Right.
Yep.
And then we need to come up with some sort of an IP.
So
typically
maybe we would have some sort of function that takes in the title and the content,
or
maybe the author or something, and like returns a unique ID.
I think this is enough. After we press stop recording, we can go to the same interview page, reload it, and we will see here two files. One file is pure audio file, and the recording started.
Zero makes sense.
Zero makes sense because that would be the beginning. Right.
And we have a video file of interview. And the recording started.
Zero makes sense.
Zero makes sense because that would be the beginning, right?
Yep.
So it's very handy. Now I will show you how it will look like in a real interview, because we didn't record any useful information from this test case of extension. Now you can see that we have audio, we have transcription. So you can use both variants. You can just upload audio, for example, from your phone, audio file, or you can write it from extension. And then AI will generate feedback in browser interface variant. So we can see the score, risk assessments, seniority level, strengths, weaknesses, requirements match, topics evaluation, and next page. But basically, it's just another representation of interview files that you can generate in DOCX format. To generate it, you just need to click download, select the template, and that's all. So this is the core functionality of TalentStack. Also, I want to show you that you can prepare your vacancy information by just putting some basic description, and AI will split it to some different topics. It will give you core stack, required skills, nice to have skills in good readable format, some assessment, interview preparation, description. You can see that there are main technologies are being highlighted. And for each vacancy, you can also create interview blocks. So this is base of from what AI will give you the assessment for the candidate, because you can have multiple sections. For example, experience, Python 3, OOP, everything that you see here on the first table was created in this page. So why it's important? Because you can give some weights for the most important topics, mark them as a primary, so AI can have accent on this information and not just get overall total from topics that was more important or less important. For example, machine learning is less important in this vacancy, so we have 8, but 20, that is the maximum mark, is the most important topic for this vacancy, because it's have Django REST framework, Flask, and that's all. To prepare these two informations that I mentioned, prettier vacancy text and interview blocks, you have AI tools which you can use to do this. You can generate AI blocks for application, and you can enhance this. Also, you have in this application some templates for DOCX that you can download here, and you have manual how to fill out document, but usually you will be enough with base templates that we will provide you from the scratch. And you have company settings where you can add your teammates, give them the role, multiple roles, and that's all. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day, and see you on the TalentStack. Bye bye.